Hello students, today we are going to discuss the second part of our lesson, food for good health. In our first part, we saw about the kinds of food, that is bodybuilding food, energy giving food, protective foods, all types of foods. So today we are going to discuss one more important part of our food, that is water. Yes, water is a very important part of our food because our body constitutes or it contains 70% of water, and the food that we eat gets digested only with the help of the water. The food that we eat is converted or changed into energy with the help of the water, and the remains of the food, that is the food which does not get digested, is thrown out of our body with the help of the water itself. So students, water is very important part of our food. It is a very important constituent of our diet. So it is very necessary that we drink proper quantity of water. It is said that we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So water is very important, and we should have the habit to drink lot of water in our everyday life. Now let us move on to the second point, the fruits. The fruits and the vegetables that we eat, they give us lot of nutrients, but the vegetables that we eat, they need to be cooked. So what is essential for cooking of the vegetables? Yes, it is water. So water is also required for cooking of the vegetables that we use as our food. But there are some vegetables like the radish, carrot, tomato, cucumber, beetroot. These vegetables that they can be eaten raw, and we get lot of nutrients when we eat these vegetables, and all the fruits when we eat them raw. Some vegetables can be eaten in the raw form, and all the fruits they can be eaten, and these raw vegetables and fruits, they also help in the digestion of the food, and that is why it is very necessary to eat all these vegetables and all types of fruits, and also drink lot of water to keep our body strong and healthy. So students, also the diet that we have or the food that we eat is not the same for all the ages. A child which is a newborn, so a newborn baby does not eat the food like the adult person. So milk is a complete food for a newborn baby. But as the baby starts growing, bodybuilding food items like pulses, fish, milk, meat, pulses, cereals, all these are included in the food of the child. So it is very necessary that the food that we eat includes all types of nutrients, and the food changes as per the age of the baby or as per the age of the child. So growing children, the children who are at the growing age, that is after completion of 1.5 years, and then the food should include all the bodybuilding food items. As I told you, pulses, cereals, milk, so also fish, eggs, meat, all these should be included into the diet of the child, so that the body of the child keeps growing in a proper manner. So also the food that each person has is different. Like for example, suppose we take the example of a sports person, a person who dedicates his life for various types of sports. Such people require a very good diet, that is bodybuilding food items as well as energy giving food items should be included in their food, because they do a lot of physical activity. A laborer, a farmer, lot of physical activity is included in their daily life. So they require a good diet. They require food items which can give lot of energy and lot of strength to their body, as compared to a person who works in an office. A farmer, a laborer, a sports person requires a very good diet. a diet that includes protective food, diet that includes bodybuilding food. Also, energy giving food items should be included in the diet of the persons who do a lot of physical activity. And so, the food that we eat or the diet that we have should include all the nutrients which are required for the health of our body, which are required to make our body healthy, strong and fit. So, we should always include all types of cereals, pulses, then we should include meat, milk, eggs, fish. So, also all types of fresh vegetables, all types of fresh fruits, and a lot of water should be included in our daily food, and this is very necessary to keep our body healthy, strong and fit. So students,
now have a look at the screen. You can see here a balanced diet, a food item. You can see here the food items which can give us a lot of nutrients to keep our body healthy, strong and fit. You can see vegetables, you can see fruits, you can see the chapatis or rotis that are made from cereals. You can also see some pulses into it. You can see eggs. Also there is milk. So such type of food gives us all types of nutrients and they make us strong, healthy and keep our body fit and fine. So all these food items should be included in our daily diet.